Hi beauties, I'm Iamkaetee. Thanks for clicking on my video. Today we do this very soft glam. This took 30 minutes to do, like no exaggeration. Even recording it took 30 minutes to do. So very quick, simple and easy soft glam for an everyday look or last minute kind of get it together, whatever you need it for. I'm sure you would love this tutorial because it's so easy. Stay tuned and I can't wait to see y'all soft glams. So let's get started with our soft glam. So I'm going to take my daily moisturizer from e.l.f. and I'm going to put this. Why do I always sing? I'm starting to notice, like, girl, you can't sing. We're going to put this all over our face. I'm going to take my lip jelly and I'm just going to apply this to my lips. Now I'm going to take my One Size Secure the Blur primer and I'm going to apply this one with a brush and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And with my matte primer from e.l.f. and I'm going to apply this in the places where I get oily. And I just really like to give my products time to like sit on my face. Now I'm gonna go and set my face with my powder. Just call me Casper. Since this video is for a soft look, we want to make sure that our skin is prepped correctly because we gotta make sure that the foundation part is on point, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'll be right back. I'm back, my brows are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face. I like mine matte, so mine is matte looking. If you want it glowy, make sure you put on the right priming things to keep it glowy. So you definitely want to apply your foundation on your lids for this look. Now that it's applied evenly, we can go ahead and start our concealer process. So now we have our concealer applied in all the places that we want to highlight. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Make sure your sponge is damp and soft. It just makes it a lot easier to blend. Once you've evenly blended out your concealer under your eyes, you want to take whatever left on your sponge and apply it to your lid. And just blend all of that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a lighter concealer and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that under my eyes because I love me a bright under eye. Now you don't have to do this part if you like your eyes just, you know, not too bright, you know, skip this part. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Y'all know I love to cream contour my nose. Now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to clean up the sides of the nose contour. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder and I'm going to set everywhere I concealed. Okay, so now that we have put our powder in the places where we need it, oh, let's also put it on our lid as well. So now I'm going to move on to contour my face. I'm going to be using my Soft Focus by Black Radiance. So clearly at this point, I was so into this bronzer. I slowed it down for y'all. Ooh, that's the happy dance. I'm feeling it. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our blush. First, I'm going to use this Sephora blush in the color Peach Blossom. It's a peachy color. So I'm going to use this first. And now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier blush in the color Strawberry, which is a lighter blush than the first one. Now I'm going to carve out my contour. Okay, so now I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip this into my face powder. And I'm just going to use this on my lid in the crease area. And I'm just going to slightly apply that. Okay, now I'm going to take another flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this Citrus Fizz ColourPop palette, color right up here. And I'm just going to apply it on my lid like this. And then blend it out. And then going back with the brush that we had just used for our face powder on our lid, we're just going to clean up the eyeshadow we just did. Boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my liner. So now you want to get a flat brush for your under eyes and you want to take a dark brown. I'm going to use the one in my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use the dark brown at the top and I'm going to put this under my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the first eyeshadow brush we use and I'm just going to blend out that brown at the bottom with my face powder. Now I can dust off all these extra powders and fallouts. See how quick this face is? Like, we're already almost done. Going with my MAC Chestnut. Okay, so now that our lashes are applied, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes. And I'm going to show you a little trick I do whenever I want my bottom lashes to be a little bit more extra than normal. So I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. You want to take a small enough brush, get you some setting powder, and sit this on your lashes, on your bottom lashes. So after you've ran the setting powder through the lashes, you want to go ahead now with another coat. And this just brings out your lashes way more. I have such small lashes, so if you have long lashes, you probably don't need to do this. But then again, if you want them a little bit longer, you can, or a little bit more popping, because it definitely makes them pop a whole lot more. I thought about the lip, and it looks so cute with a dark kind of like lip going on. but I'm kind of addicted to nude lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe Lippy in the color True Story, kind of a dark brown. Mine is giving kind of a coral kind of brown, because y'all know my lips are dark. I'm gonna put this NYX Carry on top. I'm gonna take my MAC eyeliner in the color Costa Rica, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. I want to do the black so bad, but I'm gonna keep it brown because I do like my face to be very matte. I'm gonna go ahead and take some more setting powder in my sponge, and I'm gonna sit this powder here. And I'm gonna let it bake. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lip gloss that I got like from the beauty supply in the color Swap in that color. And I'm gonna apply this in the center. I just love that gloss, okay? I love it. Then I'm gonna go over that gloss with my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color Ice. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that just to give it a little more shine. Oh, I love these lips. So cute. It probably baked long enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off right here. And that's why I only put it in that area, so that would be the only area to kind of lighten up. But I'm loving this face. I can't lie, I'm loving it. I do, however, want to add just a little bit more blush. I have really an obsession with blush right now. But look at that, like, girl. Okay, so this is our soft glam look. Quick, easy, to the point. You look good. I mean, what more could you ask for? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and comment. See you on the next one.